Hey everyone, I am Harshita and this is my project named Sleep Art Teller with Sleep Music. So there is two options for you all, Sleep Art Calculator and Categorizer or Play Sleep Song. So firstly, I have imported Mixer from Pygame module and imported OS and declared a class named screen1. Under that a function named screen, and these are the message for the welcome screen. After that an integer variable named choice n, it will store your choice number, and this is a while loop. And after that a if statement, if choice n is equal to 1 then it will go to the function 1, or if choice n is equal to 2 then it will go to function 2, else it will print unknown choice. This is function 1. This is for Sleep Art Calculator and Categorizer, and a variable name which will store your name. After that it will print a hi message with your name, and this is an integer variable named start time, in which it will store your time when you went to sleep. End time will store your when you wake up time, and sleep total will calculate your sleep hour, and after that it will print your sleep hour. And if sleep total, the variable which calculate the sleep hour, if greater than 8 then it will print you slept more than enough for today, else it will print you need more sleep. After that a goodbye message. Here is the function 2. Firstly, this message for music list, there are 3 music: relaxing music 1, then 2, then 3. An integer variable named music choice which will store the music serial number you want to play. And here are if statement, if music choice is equal to 1 then it will play the music. So this will load the music. I have downloaded this music.mp3 file. So after that it will set your volume. For now I have put it 4 as the volume, and this will initialize your music to play. And this while loop will have press P to pause, R to resume, and E to exit the program. And if you enter P then it will pause the music, if you enter R then it will resume the music, and if you enter E then it will stop the music. And similarly if you entered 2 as your music choice then it will play another music named music2.mp3, and also this is also a downloaded music by me, and this other is same. And similarly if you enter 3 then it will play the music number 3, and that's all. After that the objects for the class, and you can see the output.